Hello students, this is the video for class 8 science chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastics। हम इस चैप्टर में ये सब पढ़ेंगे की लर्निंग पॉइंट्स, क्लोथिंग मटेरियल, सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग क्लोथ्स मेड फ्रॉम सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, प्लास्टिक्स एंड एनवायरनमेंट, रॉ मटेरियल्स फॉर मेकिंग सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स, characteristics of synthetic fibers, disadvantages of using clothes made from synthetic fibers, common synthetic plastic and their uses. A material is a substance from which things are made. We use lot of material every day. They might be hard, soft, flexible, waterproof or absorbent. A person making an object carefully select material from the picking the useful properties of each material. Today we are use different types of clothes such as shirt, pant, coats. Where do the raw material from these clothes come from? Are some of our clothes synthetic? How are they made of? Do we use the clothes for purpose other than making clothes to wear? What kind of fiber do we use around us, see around us? We shall try to find answer to such question in this chapter. Clothing material. What do you think clothes are made of? कपड़े किससे बने हैं? Clothes of the distant past were made of the organic living material. Almost all synthetic fibers and material used today are made of petroleum and gas. You can find out about the types of material reading the labels sew into your clothes. All clothes that have come from a store have a label to tell you that what material was used to make clothes. Some organic materials used to make clothes are cotton, wool, and special animal skin like leather and fur. Silk is an organic material used to make clothes. There are natural fibers, whereas many clothes made from special minerals that are inorganic. Clothes made from inorganic material are synthetic fibers. Synthetic materials are made by man. If the label of your clothes says man-made, it is synthetic. Polyester, rayon, acrylic and nylon are name of man-made material that are used in the clothes. All plastic are synthetic materials. Polymers. A long chain-like unit consists of large number of smaller molecular joints to each other by chemical bond are called polymers. The smaller molecules which combine to form a chain of polymers are called monomers. For example, if a simple molecule is A, then the polymer of A represented by the formula A dash dot 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 A dash A dash, or A dash A dash A dash A dash, or simply as dash bracket dash A dash bracket dash N. For example, the polymer of ethylene कहते हैं जिसे CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2, ये आप 10th में पढ़ोगे डबल बॉन्ड क्या होता है, इज कॉल्ड polythene which may be present by the formula CH2 single bond CH2 N minus L. The polymers which occur in nature are called natural polymers. For example, cellulose, silk, wood, proteins, etc. are natural polymers. The polymers which are made in laboratories, factories from such molecules are called man-made or synthetic polymers. For example, nylon, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, rayon and Teflon are such synthetic polymers. Raw materials for making synthetic fibers. All synthetic fibers are obtained from small organic molecules from their suitable compounds. These small molecules are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. Example for the compounds which are used as raw material for making synthetic polymers, synthetic fibers, synthetic plastics are methane, ethanol, ethine, methanol, ethene, butene, ethane, propane, vinyl chloride, etc. Synthetic fibers. Rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylon are synthetic man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable, each to maintain long-lasting and less expensive. Rayon silk. Rayon has silky texture and it is made from cellulose obtained from wood pulp. The organic raw material cellulose is broken down and then reformed in a lustrous fiber called rayon. Rayon was the first synthetic fiber obtained from natural raw material. Rayon के use. It is used in textile industry for making fabrics which are blended with cotton or silk to make smooth and silky clothes. It is blended with wool for making carpet. वूल के साथ मिला के कारपेट बनाते हैं और टायरों को सही करने के लिए भी यूज़ होता है ये, और बैंडेज और सर्जिकल ड्रेसिंग के लिए भी जब टाके लगते हैं. नायलॉन. Nylon is a superior synthetic polyamide fiber. The nylon fiber are elastic, strong and water resistant. It is used for the manufacture of tire cord, fabrics and ropes. It is used for making fishing nets and parachute ropes. पैराशूट की रस्सी और फिशिंग नेट जो मछली बनाने के लिए होता है, मछली पकड़ने के लिए. इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग ब्रिसल फॉर ब्रश के वो रेशे रेशे से. इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग साड़ी, सॉक्स और नेक टाइज. इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग इलास्टिक हॉजरी. इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग small parts of machine like washers. Polyester. Polyester are made from petroleum products. Terylene, Dacrons and Terene are polyester fibers. ये तीनों polyester के fibers हैं. Polyester clothes are long lasting, water and wrinkle resistance. Uses. It is used for manufacturing sarees, dress material, curtain or clothes. It is used for making blends with other fibers. मतलब fibers को mix करके कुछ नया बनाना. Terylene with cotton gives terrycot. With wool it gives terry wool. It is used for making sails for sailboats. जो ऊपर कपड़े का वो रहता है बांध. It is used for making conveyor belts. बेल्ट जो होती हैं. Acrylic fiber, acrylon or Orion. Acrylic fiber is obtained from polymerization or of molecules of acrylonitrile, which is a petroleum product. These fibers are very light and soft like wool. They are resistant to weathering. Uses. They are used for making threads for knit sweater बनाने के threads. They are also used for making wools like blanket shawls, which are very light and warm.